Hi, and thank you for watching. I love doing like first impressions videos and like vlogging my shopping experiences, but I also am really interested to know like how things rate after a while. That's what we're doing. Hold on, my dog is walking on my vanity. Hi, buddy. Instead of doing like everything that I own from Louis Vuitton, I wanted to theme this one out a little bit and do the Monogram Eclipse collection. It's marketed toward men, but I don't care. I love gray and black, and I like silver hardware items better. I think it would be fun to start with an unboxing. I unboxed this actually on my Instagram, but I just wanted to talk about this. I haven't worn it yet. I purchased this online. I'm pretty peeved because I used to be able to do online purchases and pick up in store, but my store doesn't offer that anymore. If you can do shopping to like it gets sent to the store, I highly recommend it because then you can shop there and you don't feel pressure to buy anything because you're already picking something up. So this is my latest purchase. This was a tough thing to get. I actually tried to purchase this last year and it sells out really fast. So these are bikini bottoms. They just look like this. This would go really well with a white bikini top or a black bikini top or anything in between. I didn't purchase a Louis Vuitton top because I'm really busty and I need support. Like I need like a real top, not just some cutesy whatever. Like I really need like the support. If I'm going to the slip and slide with my niece and nephew or something, I would just wear these with a tankini top. These are really versatile. They match with everything and I just think they're really cute. The stuff is like navy blue with orange. That's kind of cute. It comes with this orange pouch, this plastic little pouch with black monogram on it. I might use this as a makeup case. I don't love orange that much, but I do love makeup cases. If you put your makeup in your bag, that's really gutsy because my lip liner gets on everything. Powder, of course, gets on everything. I can't imagine using this as a pouch. Like, I don't even understand what you're supposed to do. Are you supposed to put it in here when it's wet or something? I don't know. I think that you would use that, like maybe if you're at the beach and you're changing out of your wet suit, not your wet suit, but your wet like bathing suit, and then I don't know. I'll probably just use it as a makeup bag. And for reference, I purchased a size 40 because I didn't want it to go too small and then like potentially have like a muffin top. I don't have a booty or anything like that. I'm just pretty thick, so 40, it works fine. I wear size 28 pants, purchased size 40 bottoms, and it worked for me. Okay, so I think that my last unboxing was this item. I think I was definitely able to pick this up in the store, but I did purchase this online. This was December I purchased this. So this is the Monogram line ear warmer. I have big plans for this next winter. I think it's really cute, and I love the colors. I love gray. It's a cool tone gray, but you can wear this over your hair like this. I might actually wear it over like this. I have some pictures on Instagram where I wear this like underneath my hair. It's super warm. Like this is really effective and it dips down at the ears. The logo is like a little bit in your face. It's not as much of a contrast as if it was like black and white. I can't wait to wear this a bunch in the winter. I haven't got my money's worth on this guy yet because of how late in the season I purchased it, but I think this is worth it. I'm excited, and it's not like this would ever go out of style. Also, I like these accessories because they don't break the bank, but they're like little kisses of luxury in your outfit. I think last year for my birthday I purchased this scarf. This is called the Monogram Shine Shawl, and this is in black. It's just a really thin and shiny material that's all black and gray. Boy, does it add a look of luxury to anything. You can wear this in so many ways. I get a lot of questions like, where did you get that blanket? Where'd you get the blanket? It's just a shawl. It's very thin. I just love it. I love the size. It's very versatile. Like you're able to wear this in so many ways. You can wear this over your head. You can wear this skinny. You can wear it as a triangle. It's reversible. You can wear this pattern or you can wear this pattern. It's thin, but because there's so much of it, it keeps you warm. I've worn this a lot. I was scared when I first purchased it because I was scared to like pull a string and then just have the whole thing come undone and just unravel and become a ball of yarn. But it hasn't happened yet, thank goodness. Because I always wear these colors, it matches with everything. I've worn it as a shawl like around my shoulders. I've used it as a blanket. This thing is very versatile. If you wanted to have like a glam picnic, you could use this as well. I haven't done that, but I'm just thinking outside the box. You could wear this as a sarong. There is a denim shawl that's a little bit cheaper. I'll link both below. This is the Kabba Zip. This bag I really love because it is a big square tote and you can use it as luggage. When I go on a trip, I have everything packed in my suitcase, but I love having just a tote on top to throw in your last minute things. I really like this bag. It is huge. It definitely is like luggage. I just really like it because it's not the Chanel Deauville, it's not the Dior Book Tote, it's not the On the Go from Louis Vuitton. Those to me are kind of trendy pieces. So this bag, I don't think that it's ever going to be the hot bag of the season. So with that, it'll never be the out bag. Like no one will see it and go, oh, that is so last season. If anyone does that, it's just rude anyway. I don't like temporary things like trends. I like things to last. I want to be 50 with this bag and it's still great and lovely. I've brought it out quite a bit. I've used it as a tote. I've used it as luggage. I've used it as a dog bag. I've brought it all around. I have a pillow in it to keep it up, but it's not like sagging. It's a little bit relaxed because it's canvas. It's not hard and structured. It has a little bit of a slouch to it, but it doesn't look messy, which I love. And then another thing is this is actually the pouch that's inside the bag. It is the reverse Monogram Eclipse and the hardware is like this gunmetal. Super pretty, right? This you can just snap into the bag itself on the side, but I've used this as a pouch very often. It's a good size. It lays super flat. It's pretty spacious. I wouldn't use this for makeup, whether I snap it into the bag or not. This is usually where I'll put my wallet or my phone and then just throw it in the bag because it's a big bag with no compartments. I love this. I love this by itself. I love it in the bag. This was a really nice touch. This is my wallet. I think that I have an unboxing of this as well. I totally forgot about this. I love this wallet. It has the same color hardware. It's a nice sturdy zip. On the regular side, there's a big slot that you could put cash in. It's the length of the wallet, which is really nice. And then here you have a zipped compartment. What? I have 20 bucks? I have $21. A Target gift card? Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I have things like that in the zipped compartment. And then on this side, there are 3 slots for cards. This is where I put my ID and my debit card. I took it out for this video. And then there's another slot here, a nice little dip. It's pretty versatile. You can do whatever you want with any of the slots, which I like. Another thing too, another tip that I can teach you is I learned this from Gossip Girl. Serena has her insurance card behind her ID. So I always do that too, because it sounds really smart. I love these colors. I think it's really cute. I love the classic monogram, but I never wear gold. So anytime that I wear like my Pochette Matisse right here, anytime I wear that, it's just like mismatching the rest of my jewelry. I just wanted to share and give my reviews because I've had some of these things for a minute. I've worn them a while. Definitely recommend. And fortunately for me, I didn't waste any money because I recommend everything. I don't have any regrets in this video. So that's great. And that is, makes me feel really good. So that is it. That is my updated review and unboxing. If you love black and gray, if you love luxury and you love this color scheme, then this video is for you. Thank you so much for watching. I have the original unboxing that I can link below. I have other stuff on my channel as well. It's not always this bougie for sure. If you want to see any of those videos, feel free to tune into anything else on my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.